Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chart. You tuned into the Market Beast edition. Yes, fellow compadre is speaking. And of course, we have to explore the GHSI symbol and see exactly what is taking place in this market. Before we get started, please, guys, do me a favor. Do your research before you invest in these companies, okay? I truly want all of you to be successful in these markets and protect yourselves from downwards pressure in the markets or upwards pressure if you're betting against a particular stock. I just want everyone to be responsible, and please do your research and do not take what I say as set in stone before you hit those buy buttons out there. I truly just want to say that in the most humblest way that I possibly can, okay? So we're going to explore GHSI. Welcome in if you're new. Consider hitting the subscribe button if you find any valuable information in the content. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. Hopefully you had a strategy before you entered this market because we did go over it. So let's go ahead and dive into the details and go ahead and get to the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's March the 2nd, 2021, and the previous close of GHSI is going to be $2.67. It's down approximately, or closed at approximately 11.8% for the day. Okay. A little bit of buying interest coming in the pre-market there. $2.71, up approximately 1.5% for the day. We're probably going to get a live open right now. We'll get this video out as soon as we possibly can. Now, let's just go ahead and pull up the original lines. So these are the original lines. So on this video that we posted on February the 18th, 2021, this stock has a potential 111%. Okay, we did notice it was $1.10 at that time, but some of the commenters have mentioned that this stock has been through a reverse stock split. Please speak amongst yourselves in the comment section. You guys know I'm a technicals guy. I know that I don't care about that information. I mean that in the most humblest and kindest way that I possibly can. I made a vow to myself. Please take a moment to read our bio on the channel. The reason why I'm approaching these markets this way. I'm going to erase these lines because these are the original lines. I have to do some modifications here. So yeah, technical data is all I understand. I don't care to read any articles. If I were to enter this stock, this would have been my IDGAF method, which means that you always put in an amount that you don't care to see ever again. Okay, and hopefully, okay, let's just say this as well. If we go over any like penny stocks on the channel, definitely do not invest in an amount that you are uncomfortable with losing. Always put an amount in that you are comfortable with losing 100% of it. Okay, so hopefully we're all on the same page about that. And again, these videos are not suggesting to buy any of these stocks. It's just simply me telling a story behind the price action. Okay. So I just truly want to kind of get more into details as far as why I'm going over this, the reason that I approach these markets this way. Again, you have to read the bio to understand why I'm doing this. And I truly want everyone to be responsible and not lose money. I said that 2 or 3 times, but I want everyone to understand that as you're listening to this, okay? So what do I see with GHSI now? Okay, so I looked at the higher time frames and I noticed something that suggests that the price could reverse to the upside, okay? And the price target would be, let's see, I mean, obviously these are different price targets. This is the $2. This white line here represents the level that it needs to stay above, $2.74. It needs to hold that relative level, otherwise there will be more downward pressure in the market. I guess we'll kind of, honestly, this stock, I'm probably not even interested in doing any more information on this stock, guys. I mean, you guys can have at it. This is just a level for me, $2.75. If it gets below that level, then it's going to get more pressure to the downside. So that's all that I have for you wonderful folks as far as where the level in terms of where it needs to stay above. I don't even have any overhead targets at this point. I mean, let's just do a practical level, I guess, revisit the area where it just kind of collapsed from, right, so to speak, $6.70. If there's a sufficient amount of time of consolidating just over, just above, or not, just below, that was redundant, just above or just below this level, $2.75, I truly think it needs consolidation before it has that next move to the upside, if it's going to go to the upside, okay? But we'll definitely close it out. This will be the last video. No more updates. 275 needs to hold. 670 as a potential target, of $7 a potential target. If that happens, great. Hopefully you all will participate in this market and use your strategies as you participate, because we're no longer going to do videos on this. We didn't invest in this. We weren't interested because of the way that the charts were setting up. So in closing here, you have the levels, a time frame on which this could take place. Give it 6 months up to a year. That's just a random number, honestly. I didn't get that from any real technical data. But in closing here, I truly just want everyone to understand that, when you're participating in these markets, you have to have a strategy. Hopefully, I'm going to have a specific video explaining a strategy very soon, so that you all can have, I guess, an idea, because I don't think everyone has a strategy as you guys are entering these markets. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you have strategies, but for those of you who don't, I truly want you to understand that first before you hit these buy buttons. Okay, I cannot stress that enough. Okay. So that's it for this video for GHSI. It was wonderful meeting you, GHSI participants. I wish you well in the future and a lot of success and upwards trajectory in this market as you participate in this. And of course, not listen to me as financial advice, because I'm not insinuating that it's going to go up or down. Okay, just a story behind the price action, and that was just at one level that I could find, 275. So thank you for your time. We're going to cut it out here. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below. Again, get a discussion going as far as the reverse stock split. Someone mentioned it was a 6-to-1. Again, verify any information that you're discussing in the comment section amongst yourselves. I'll be here in the charts focusing on these technical data here on the charts. So also, before you go, if you're new, we cover the alternative markets. Like if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, subscribe with us, hit the bell. We'll see you that information when it's available. And yes, I think we covered everything, guys. So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolios, execute your strategies. Okay, we're going to talk soon. Bye for now.